Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
There was an issue regarding wetlands. There is a notified wetland in the village, and I'm surprised that there doesn't seem to have been much objection prior to notification of the wetlands. I'm surprised that the president of the local biodiversity committee has also objected to the wetlands. On the contrary, her role as president or member of the biodiversity committee is to protect the wetland and not be objecting to it now. I guess she must be under public pressure, and so she has changed her stand. A certain area where the government has acquired land and to widen the existing highway. However, people feel that there is a lot of traffic, so government should propose a bypass instead of widening the existing road.
वेळीच्या एका सरकारी शाळेच्या ग्राउंडाची अवस्था जाल्या सरकारान लक्ष दिवचे अलेक्स म्हणटा इशू सोडयता.
Tolekanto, the SAG ground at Tolekanto has been closed. It is not accessible to anybody, any of the villagers. When we first gave SAG the ground, it was on the condition that daily villagers would be able to access and use this ground. Now it is closed and it is not even maintained. Recently, the panchayat and the BDC members went for a site inspection. We noticed drum full of water, stagnated, full of mosquitoes and all that.
I would suggest the panchayat writes a letter to SAG. Ask SAG to hand over for day-to-day running of the ground and look out for a football team. Ask this gentleman to find a football team that will use it as a practice ground.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायज.